In this video, we will discuss the questions of the chapter Power Play of Class 8th. This video ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ both ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so it will help the Karnataka SSLC students. Let us directly come to the first question. Which expression describes the thickness of a sheet of paper after it is folded 10 times? ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ 10 ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ. ದ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು 10 ಸಲ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್, ಆ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ವಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 2 into ವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದೇ 2 ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2v ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2v ಮತ್ತು 2v ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into 2v ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ 1, 2 ಮತ್ತು 3ನೇ ಸಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 2 into 2 into ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 into ಇದು 2 into 2 into 2 into ವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2v, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 square v, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 cube v, 2 to the power of 4v. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ 10 times ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the answer will be 2 to the power of 10v. Okay, so this is the answer is 2 to the power of 10 into v. Let us now come to the next question. What is minus 1 to the power of 5? What is minus 1 to the power of 5? Is it positive or negative? What is minus 1 to the power of 5? Will it be positive or negative? So what do you mean by minus 1 to the power of 5? This is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ಸಲ ಮೈನಸ್ 1ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1 as it is into minus 1. Plus 1 into plus 1 will be plus 1 into minus 1. So this answer will be minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 to the power of 5 is equal to minus 1. Next ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, is it positive or negative? ಇದು negative or positive? It is negative. Further ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, what about minus 1 to the power of 56? What about minus 1 to the power of 56? ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, minus 1 2 ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಅದೇ 3 ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 into minus 1 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. 3 ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್, ಇವೆರಡೂ ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಸೊ 4 ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. ಇವೆರಡು minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡು minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 into ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 is ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ we can generally say that minus 1, if it is raised to a odd number, it becomes a negative number or rather minus 1. Minus 1, if it is raised to a even number, then that number becomes positive or plus 1. Therefore, minus 1 to the power of 56 will be plus 1. Okay? Alright. Next same ಅದೇ ಥರ is minus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Verify ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. What does this say? Question is minus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Verify ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So what is minus 2 to the power of 4? Is equal to minus 2ನ 4 ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. minus 2ನ 4 ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ what is minus 2 into minus 2? This becomes plus 2 plus 4. 2 into 2 is 4. ಅದೇ ಥರ what is minus 2 into minus 2? Again plus 4. So plus 4 into plus 4 will become plus 16. Therefore minus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to plus 16. Okay. Next question. What does this say? Express the following in exponential form. I will copy all this, multiple are there, so I will take this out. Okay. Let us take the first one. Express the following in exponential form. Very simple. First one will be 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 is multiplied by itself to 4 times. R na 4 ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this will be 6 to the power of 4. Second one, y into y. y na 2 ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this will be y raised to the power of 2. Third one ಏನಿದೆ, b into b into b into b. b na 4 ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is b raised to the power of 4. Fourth question, 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. This equal to 5 into 5. 5 na 2 ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 5 to the power 2 into 7 ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3 ಸಲ into 7 to the power of 3. Next question ಏನಿದೆ, fifth one, 2 into 2 into a into a. Similarly 2 into 2 will be 2 to the power of 2 into a will be a to the power of 2. ಅದೇ ಥರ sixth one, a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. Okay, so a na 3 ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this becomes a to the power of 3 into c na 4 ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So c into the power of 4 into d na 1 ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is the exponential form. Okay, so this is done. Next, express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು we have to convert it to their product of prime factors. Prime factors ಅಂತ lower classes ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ let us take 648. ಸೊ 648 ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 2 ಇಂದ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಈವನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು. ಸೊ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 324. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 1s 3 6 162. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 81s 81. Okay, now this is not a even number. So next prime number you have to try for 3. 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 81. 81 is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. We know the trick. Let me explain this trick again. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 363. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 + 6 + 3 ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 + 6 is 9. 9 + 3 is 12. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 12, 1 + 2 is 3. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಬಂತು. ಈಸ್ 3 divisible by 3? If this number, a ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, if that is divisible by 3, then the original number, that is 363, will also be divisible by 3. So in this case ಏನಿದೆ, this is a trick to find out whether number is divisible by 3 or not. So 81 is divisible by 3 because 8 plus 1 is 9. So 3 in the multiply ಮಾಡಿದರೆ how much? 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 27. Okay, now again 27, is it divisible by 3? Yes, because 2 plus 7 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 9 ಮತ್ತು 9 ಬಂತು. 3 3s are 3 1s are. So now what are the prime factors? So we can say that 648 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 ಸಲ 2 ಇದೆ, into 3 4 ಸಲ ಇದೆ. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 4 ಸಲ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 648 is nothing but 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so this is first one. Next let us come to the ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 405 ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡುವ. ಈಸ್ 405 ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 2 ಇಂದ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಸ್ 405 divisible by 3? 4 plus 0 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So let us take 3. So first 3 I'll multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now this again is 3, is it divisible by 3? 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 ಇಂದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 3s are 12, 5s are ಮತ್ತು 45, 4 plus 5 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now is this divisible by 5? Yes, 3 5s are 5 1s are. So 405 is expressed as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 ಸಲ 3 ಇದೆ, into 5, which is equal to 3 to the power of 4 into 5. Okay, now next one, 540. I will do here only. 540. Is 540 a even number? Yes, 540 is a even number. So let us start with 2. 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 70s are 2 2 1 again 270 even number. 2 135s are. Now 135 is a odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now is it divisible by 3? 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now 45, is it divisible by 3? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So again is 15? Yes, 3 and 5. 5 and 1. So 540 can be written as 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 ಸಲ 3 ಇದೆ, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 1 ಸಲ ಇದೆ. So this is equal to 2 square into 3 cube into 5. Okay, what is the fourth number? Fourth number is 3600. I will take here only 3600. 3600 ಏನಿದೆ even number. So 2 1800s are, 2 900s are, 2 450s are, 2 225s are. Now is it divisible by 3? 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are, 3 5s are. 75, is it divisible by 3? Yes, because 7 plus 5 is 12. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. 25, is 25 divisible by 3? 5 plus 2 is 7. No. So next prime number ಯಾವುದು? 5. 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So 3600 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 into 3 2 ಸಲ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು 5 2 ಸಲ ಇದೆ. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 into 3 square into 5 square. Okay, this is one way of doing. Another way, see, when you got multiple zeros, there is another method to solve this. Hege andre, I will show it here. We have got 3600. Then what I will do 3600? I will write it directly as 36 into 100. Okay. Now 36 to prime factors madana. 36 into prime factors ಏನು? 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 36 becomes 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now 100 ಉಳಿತು. What 100 the prime factors ಏನು? 100 can be written as 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. 10 into 10. Correcta? So that is not. So this will be 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. Okay. Now final answer what we can get? How many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4. 2 to the power of 4 into 3 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. 3 to the power of 2 into 5 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. 5 square. So 3600 can also be solved like this. Okay. Once you remove these zeros, because we know that 0 we will get it by multiplying by 10. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ it becomes a smaller number and easier to handle. Okay, now write the numerical value of each of the following. First one, this is simple. 2 into 10 to the power of 3 will be 2 into 10 to the power of 3 ಅಂದರೆ 1 followed by 3 0 is equal to 2000. Next one, 7 square into 2 cube. 7 square will be 7 into 7 into 2 cube will be 2 into 2 into 2. This is equal to 7 into 7, 49 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is equal to 8 9s are 72, 2 7 carry, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 7 is 39 is equal to 392. Similarly, third one, 3 into 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 3 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 3 into 4 into 4 is 16 into 4 into 4 is 16, which is equal to 16 16s is 256, which is equal to 256 into 3. 256 into 3 ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ? 250 into 3 will be 750 plus 6 3s are 18. 750 plus 18 is 768. Okay. Next is fourth one, minus 3 square into minus 5 square is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 5. Okay. Minus 3 into minus 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Becomes plus 3 3s are 9 into minus 5 into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is plus 5 into 5 is 25. 9 into 25 is 225. Okay. Next, let's come to the fifth one. What does the fifth one say? 3 square into 10 power 4. This is equal to 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 9 into 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, which is equal to 90,000. Sixth one, minus 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 5 into minus 10 to the power of 6 is equal to minus 2 into 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 minus 10 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 ಎಷ್ಟಲಾಯಿತು? 1 2 3 4 5 into minus 10 6 ಸಲ. This is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 into minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 100 into plus 100 into plus 100, which is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. This will be minus 32. This will the ಎರಡೋದು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ plus 16 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So plus 16 into minus 2 will be minus 32. Minus 32 into all three are plus now, so it will be into 1 followed by 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to minus 32 1 2 3 4 5 6. This will be the answer. Okay. You can also do this in another way. That is, you can say minus 2 into power of 5 into minus 10 to the power of 6 is equal to, we know that any minus number raised to odd times will be minus. So this will be minus only. Okay. 2 to the power of 5 is 2 into 2 4. So 4 into 4 8, 8 into 2 30, 8 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 16. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. So this will be 2 to the power of minus 2 to the power of 5 will be minus 32. Similarly, minus 10 to the power of 6 is a even number, so it will become a positive number. Okay. So positive number bandaga 1 followed by how many zeros? 6 zeros, or 1 2 3 4 5 6. So directly also you can solve this. Okay. Okay, let's come to the next question. Write the following expressions as a power of a power in at least 2 different ways. Power of a power ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Before I solve this question, I'll just say about a few formulas. See, we have a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. This is one. Similarly, a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Here the power is same, is equal to a into b to the power of m. Similarly, if we have a into b to the power of m, then we have a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Remember, here we have, in all these cases, the power is same, whereas the base is different. Here the base is same, illi base same ide a, ಆದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ we have one more formula. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is same as a to the power of n to the power of m. This is nothing but a to the power of n into m. This is another formula. Okay, now using these formulas we will solve this question. First one, 8 to the power of 6. This we have to express in different way. That is, we have to make it as power of a power. Power of a power ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 8ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 8ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು? we can write 8 as 8ನ we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 to the power of 3. Therefore, 8 to the power of 6 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 6. This is one way of writing. This is also equal to 2 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 3. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? Because a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. Power of a power na we can interchange, because both of these will give the result a to the power of m into n. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ m into n is equal to n into m. Can we write this as some more ways? Let us see. ಅವ್ರು ಎರಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but I will teach you to write in some more ways. Okay, say for example we have 8 to the power of 6. Okay, can I write this 6, ಏನು 6 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, can I write this as 3 into 2? Okay, so we have 8 to the power of 6 is equal to 8 to the power of 3 into 2. Alright, so this can be written as 8 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so this is also equal to 8 to the power of 2 into 8 to the power of 3. This is another way of writing. Okay, still further can we do this? Okay, ಹೇಗೆ? We know here that 8 to the power of 6 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 6. Now 6, I will write this as, this is equal to 2 to the power of 3 into 6. This is also equal to 2 to the power of 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, so this we have got 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 6 is already written, to the power of 3. This whole to the power of 2 also ಬರಿಬೋದು. Okay, this is slightly more confusing. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ we can keep on doing it. Okay, so or we can also write this as, another possibility is equal to 2 to the power of 9 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? So this is also equal to 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2 or 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 9. Okay, so ಎಷ್ಟು ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Now we have 8 to the power of 6. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು? First type is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 6. Second one ಏನು ಬಂತು? 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 3. Next ಏನು ಬಂತು? 8 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 or 8 square to the power of 3. Next ಏನು ಬಂತು? 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2. Also 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 9. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಥರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಥರ ಬರೆದಿವಿ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ಥರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 7 ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 15. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ 7 ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 15 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 7 ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 15 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೇಮ್ 7ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ 15 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ 5 into 3. No other methods are there. So this is equal to 7 to the power of 5 to the power of 3, or it is also equal to 7 to the power of 3 to the power of 5. Okay, same formula. A to the power of m into n is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. Okay, next we have third one. What is the third one? 9 to the power of 14. 9 to the power of 14. Okay, now 9 can be written as 3 square. Correct? 9 is 3 into 3. So 3 square to the power of 14 is one way. This is also equal to 3 to the power of 14 to the power of 2. Okay, further can we do it? We can still do this further. Hege, we will try this. I can write this as 3 to the power of 2 into 14. This is equal to 3 to the power of 2 into 7. Correct? 14 is nothing but 2 into 7. So I can write it as 3 to the power of 4 into 7, which is equal to 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 7, or 3 to the power of 7 to the power of 4. This is another way of writing. Okay, so we can also write this as 3 to the power of 4 is 7 into 2 is okay. That's all. All right. So how many methods we got? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And power of a power baribodu andre we can write this also as 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 7. Okay, all right. So third one is over. Next one we have fourth one. Fourth one is 5 to the power of 8. Fourth one, sorry, they have given 5 to the power of 8. So this we can write it as 5 na ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, because it is a prime number and it is not a perfect square ಅಲ್ಲ, cube ಅಲ್ಲ. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So one method is 5 square to the power of 4, or 5 to the power of 4 into 2. All right, these are the two ways. Or another power of a power ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ it is 5 square to the power of 2 to the power of 2. So these are the different ways of writing this. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Okay, I will add a page here, or page is there here. We can take this only. Okay, now next question. How many combinations are possible in different contexts? We will take this. How many possible okay, how many different possible combinations ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so first one is pin codes of the country. See, you know about pin code. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ pin code ಏನಿದೆ? 577001. Okay, so ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಊರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ 6 digit number. 6 digit number XXXXXX. Okay, this is a format of pin code. So how many combinations are possible? See, if it is one ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ how many possibilities are there? We have 10 possibilities. Okay, ಅದೇ ಥರ if it is 2 digits then how many possibilities are there? If it is 2 digits, number of combinations are 10 to the power of 2. If it is 3 digits, then the number of combinations are 10 to the power of 3. Okay, here ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ sometimes they don't consider 000 as ನಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ 3 zeros ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಐದರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 10 to the power of 3, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ -1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 6 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 6 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 10 to the power of 6 different combinations are possible. Okay, all right. Now see, here there is one ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this may or may not be the correct answer. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 6 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, 6 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ this first digit is reserved for state. I think first 2 digits are reserved for state. Okay, so how many states are there? 29, 30 states are there, plus union territories, they may consider as a different pin code. Okay, so if you take only in that way, see 29 or say 29 states ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 29 states ಇದ್ದಾಗ these two numbers will not be more than 29. Okay, so in that case we have 29 possible combinations with these two digits, and these 4 digits combination is ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ into 10 to the power of 4. This is another way of thinking. Okay, but what if another states come tomorrow? What if the number of states combinations get over? In that case they may provide with two numbers for each digit, so we don't know that. Okay, so unless we make some assumptions, we cannot get a appropriate answer. Similarly, mobile numbers, you have mobile numbers ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Okay, digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 digit ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 10 digit ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ have you seen mobile number starting with 0? No. Have you seen mobile number starting with 5? No. Have you seen any mobile digit starting with 3, 2? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. So mobile ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ this first digit is reserved for 6 to 9. It can be 6, 7, 8 or 9. Only these number of digits are reserved for this. Okay, so in that case ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? These keep varying. So we get 9 digits here and 4 digits here. Only 4 digits possible. So ಈ 9 digits ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು combinations possibility ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So 9 digits ಇಂದ combinations are 10 to the power of 9. ಈ 4 digits in the combination 4 ಆಗೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ we have total combinations of mobile number is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay, now you may say, okay, what if the government releases one more number tomorrow? See, the number decide ಮಾಡಿದ ಯಾರು? TRA ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So they will decide the first digit 6, 7, 8, 9. Tomorrow they may start with 5 also, we do not know. So in that case it becomes 10 to the power of 9 combinations ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it becomes ಆವಾಗ 5 into 10 to the power of 9. But as of now it is 4 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay, now next one, vehicle registration numbers. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ KA 17 XX 1 2 3 4, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ See, these 4 digits in the ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 to the power of 4 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಏನಿದು? These two are alphabets. Correct? So how many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets. Okay, and 2 places are there. Correct? So number of combinations here, it will be 26 to the power of 2. Again, here what happens is, see, these they don't use everything. Okay, here this is possible. This is only for state. So let us not take into consideration, because the number of states are fixed and each state may get 1 or 2 digits. Okay, so this is number of states may depend agutte. Now these 2 digits ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This will be 10 to the power of 2. So total combinations will be 10 to the power of 2 into 26 square into 10 to the power of 4, which is equal to 26 square into 10 to the power of 6. These many combinations are possible. Let's come to the next question. Next question, what does it say? Write equivalent forms of the following. 2 to the power of minus 4. Equivalent, this question, first one. See, here we use the formula a to the power of, or 1 by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of minus m, or a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. This formula we are using here. Using that, we get 2 to the power of minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Adhe tara 10 to the power of minus 5. This will be 1 by 10 to the power of 5. Then third one is minus 7 to the power of minus 2. This will be 1 minus minus 7 to the power of 2. Okay. Next will be minus 5 to the power of minus 3. Minus 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 5 to the power of 3. Then fifth one, 10 to the power of minus 100 is equal to 1 by 10 to the power of 100. Next question, simplify and write the answers in exponential form. Simplify and write the following in exponential form. It is 2 to the power of minus 4 into 2 to the power of 7. Okay, we know a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So therefore this will be 2 to the power of minus 4 plus 7 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Next one, 3 square into 3 to the power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of 6. This again a to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of o, or I will take it as a to the power of p is equal to a to the power of m plus n plus p. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಬೇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 3 to the power of 2 minus 5 plus 6. This is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 5 is 3 to the power of 3. Next, third one will be p to the power of 3 into p to the power of minus 10. This is equal to p to the power of 3 minus 10. Fourth one, 2 to the power of 4 into minus 4 to the power of minus 2. See, here is important. If you have ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ we have a formula. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ we have a formula. ಯಾವುದದು? ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ a ಇಂಟು m ಇಂಟು n ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಬೇಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ in that case a into b to the power of m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ನೈದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಾರ್ exponent as same, but can we make it same? We will try. This is equal to 2 to the power of 4 into, see, we also know that minus a to the power of odd number, okay, is nothing but a to the power of odd number. Sorry, minus a to the power of even number is equal to plus a to the power of even number. So I can write, therefore, minus 4 to the power of minus 2 is same as 4 to the power of minus 2. Both are same, eradu onde. So I will write this as 4 to the power of minus 2. Now what is but? Can I write 4 is equal to 2 square? Okay. So this becomes 2 to the power of 4 into 2 square to the power of minus 2. This is equal to 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, because a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So here 2 into minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆರಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 becomes minus 4. Okay. Now we got the base to be same. ಈಗ ಬೇಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this equals to 2 to the power of 4 minus 4, which is equal to 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Alright. Next one, fifth one. What does fifth one say? 8 to the power of p, 8 to the power of p into 8 to the power of q. This is equal to, 8 to the power of p plus q. Alright. Let's come to the next question. Now they have given the power line for 7. That is, they have given a numbers stacked one below the other, wherein they are all powers of 7. For example, we have here 7, which is 7 power 1, then 49, which is 7 square, then 7 cube, which is 343. Like this, they have given all the powers of 7. Now using this power line, we have to find the solution for these. So let's come fast to this. 2401 into 49. Okay, what is 2401? We have 2401 as 7 to the power of 4. Here you can see 2 power 4 is 2401 is 7 to the power of 4. Okay, so we get 2401 as 7 to the power of 4 into 49. You can see from the table as 7 square. It is present here. So we get 2401 into 49 is 7 to the power of 4 into 7 to the power of 2. We know the formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Therefore, we get this as 7 to the power of 4 plus 2 is equal to 7 to the power of 6. Now, what is 7 to the power of 6? Where is it given? 7 to the power of 6 is here, which is equal to 117649. Okay, this is how you do this. Now let us see what is 49 cube. Now next question what they have asked is 49 cube. Can we see 49 cube here? No. But what is 49? 49 is given as 7 square from the table, which is raised to the power of 3. Therefore, we know that a power m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Therefore, this will be 7 to the power of 2 into 3 is equal to 7 to the power of 6. Now, what is 7 to the power of 6? Again, 117649. Okay. Now, let's come to the next question. The third one, what does it say? They want 343 into 2401. From the table, where do we get 343? 340 is here, which is 7 cube. 7 cube into, they have got 7 cube as 343, and what is 2401? 2401 is 7 to the power of 4 from the table. 7 to the power of 4. So this is equal to 7 to the power of 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 to the power of 7. What is 7 to the power of 7? 7 to the power of 7 is here. So it is 823,543. Okay, now let's come to the next one, that is the fourth one. What does the fourth one say? Fourth one asks 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 16807 divided by 49. Where is 16807? 16807 is here, 7 to the power of 5, and 49 is 7 square. So we have got 16807 as 7 to the power of 5 divided by 7 square. We know a power m divided by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, we have got 7 to the power of 5 minus 2 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. What is 7 to the power of 3? Is 343. Okay. Similarly, let's come to the fifth one. What does fifth one say? Fifth one asks for 7 divided by 343. What is 7? 7 is 7, as it is 7 power 0, 7 power 1, sorry. And what will be 343? 43 is 7 to the power of 3. This is equal to, we know that a power m divided by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, the answer to this is 7 to the power of 1 minus 3 is equal to 7 to the power of minus 2 is equal to, we know a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Therefore, this becomes 1 by 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. 1 by 49. So, fifth one is solved. Next, what they are asking, sixth question is 16,807 divided by 8,23,543. Okay, where is 16,807? 16,807 is here on the table. And where is 8,23,543? It is here in the table. Okay, so we have got 16,807 as 7 to the power of 5 divided by 7 to the power of 7. We know a power m by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, we have got this as 7 to the power of 5 minus 7 to the power of 7 is equal to 7 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 7 by 7 square is equal to 1 by 49, because we have a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. Alright, now this is solved. What is the next question? 117,649 into 1 by 343. This is equal to, they have just represented it as separately. What is 117 is here, 117,649 is here, and 343 is here. So we have got this as 7 to the power of 6 into 1 by 7 cube. This is nothing but 7 to the power of 6 by 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 7 to the power of 6 minus 3 is equal to 7 to the power of 3, which is equal to 343. Okay. Now, what does the seventh one says now? 1 by 343 into 1 by 343. What is 343? 7 cube into 1 by 7 cube. Okay, this is nothing but 7 to the power of minus 3 into 7 to the power of minus 3, which is equal to 7 to the power of minus 3 equal to 7 to the power of minus 6 is equal to 1 by 7 to the power of 6, which is equal to 1 divided by 11764, okay, which is equal to 117,649. Okay, so this is solved. Next, what do we have? Okay, they have asked, can you say which of the three distances is smallest? The three distances are sum of Saturn and distance between Sun and Saturn is given as this, and between Saturn and Uranus is given as this, and Sun and Earth is given as this. They have asked which of the three distances is smallest. I have just written down the three distances separately. Sun of Saturn is so much, between Sun and Saturn, between Saturn and Uranus, and between Sun and Earth. Okay, now can you observe the three numbers? See here, these two ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 12 ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 to the power of 11 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಟು, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್, ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೂರನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 11ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1.4335 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 12 ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 110ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 14.335 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 11. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುರನಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1.439 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 12 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 14.39 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 11. ಒಂದು 10ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಲು ರೈಟಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರ್ತ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 11 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1.496 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 11. Now all these three are equal into 10 to the power of 11 ಆಯಿತು. So now we can compare these three numbers. So which is the smallest in this? This will be smallest. And which is the largest in this? Among these two, which is the largest? This will be largest. So this is the largest distance. Largest to siktu, smallest to siktu namige. Okay. Now let's come to the next question. Express the following numbers in standard form. Standard form ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 59,853. First one is 59,853. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0 and 10 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 0 and 10 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 5.9853 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of how much? See what has happened here is one simple trick. You have got minus point here. How many times you have got the 5.9 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump. 4 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಂಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ 65,950 65,950 is equal to 6.5950 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the power of 4. Okay, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 34,30,000 34,30,000 is equal to 3.43 into 10 to the power of, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to the power of 6. Next fourth one I'll write here 70,400,000, is equal to 7.004 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into 10 to the power of 10. So this is how you write this. Let us come to the next question. How many times can a person circumnavigate? Circumnavigate ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? Circumnavigate means ಹೋಗೋದು, ಸುತ್ತೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ಕಮ್ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೋ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ದ ಅರ್ತ್, ಸರ್ಕಮ್ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ ದ ಅರ್ಥನ ಸುತ್ತಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವಾಕ್ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ನಡೀತಾರೆ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 40,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ 40,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ circumnavigate, that is go around the earth if they walk non-stop. Okay, now what they are doing, they are walking non-stop in their lifetime ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯಂದು lifetime. So we have to make certain assumptions here. Okay, in assumptions, first, what is lifetime? Lifetime of a person is tagabodu. Can we take it as 60 years? Okay, he walks for 60 years. So 60 years number of days ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದು 60 into 365 days is equal to 0 6 5 30 0 3 carry 6 6 36 plus 3 39 9 3 carry 6 3 18 19 20 21,900 days he is his lifetime. So I will approximate this to 2.2 into, I will take this as 2.19 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4, or I will approximate this as 2.2 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, nearby. Now lifetime, so many days are there. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಡೀತಾನೆ? So number of kilometers per day. Let us assume he walks for 20 kilometers daily or 25 kilometers daily. Daily 25 kilometers ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Therefore total distance covered in lifetime, ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 25 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಡೀತಾನೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಬಾಳ್ತಾನೆ? 2.2 into 10 to the power of 4. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 25 kilometers per day into 2.2 into 10 to the power of 4. So this is 25 to the 50 05 carry 25 to the 50 55.0 into 10 to the power of 4 kilometers total ನಡೀತಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ತ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 40,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 40,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 40,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತಾನೆ? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 55.0 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 4 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 40,000. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ? ದಿಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 55 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by, ಇದನ್ನು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೊಟೇಷನ್, 4 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4, 10 to the power of 4 ಮಾಡಿ. Now 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 4 cancels, is equal to 55 by 4 is equal to 1.625 times roughly. ಸೊ ಹತ್ತತ್ರ 1.5 ಸಲ ಅವನು ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿ, the answer can vary depending on what you take as assumption. See, you can take another assumption as he may live for 80 years. 80 years ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You can take he walks for an average of 40 kilometers per day. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. How many ants are there for every human being? How many ants for every human being? ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ human beings. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 2 into 10 to the power of 6. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2 into 10 to the power of 6. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ತ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ 8 into 10 to the power of 9 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 8 into 10 to the power of 9. This becomes 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 1 divided by 4 into, I will take this numerator, it becomes 10 to the power of 6 minus 9. Total number of ants, I made a mistake. Okay, total number of ants is 16. This will be 10 to the power of 16. So 16 minus 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is equal to 1 by 4 into 10 to the power of 16 minus 9 is 7 is equal to 0.25 into 10 to the power of 7. Scientific notation ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2.5 into 10 to the power of 6. So ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ 2.5 into 10 to the power of 6 ಇರುವೆಗಳಿದೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಂಪು, ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 ಬರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 10,000 ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್? ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಥ ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಚ್ ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10,000 birds. Therefore, total flocks, total number of flocks is equal to the total number of starlings divided by 10,000. This can be written as 3.1 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 3.1 into 10 to the power of 8 minus 4 is equal to 3.1 into 10 to the power of 4. Next, if each tree had 10 to the power of 4 leaves, find the total number of leaves. So ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 10 to the power of 4 leaves. So total leaves ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is nothing but total trees into number of leaves per tree. So total trees ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ 3 into 10 to the power of 12. So total number of trees is 3 into 10 to the power of 12 into ಒಂದು number of leaves are 10 to the power of 4. So this is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 12 plus 4 equals 3 into 10 to the power of 16. Next question. If you stacked sheets of ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೊಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊತ ಹೋದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೇಕು ಮೂನಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವುಡ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದ ಮೂನ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೂನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3.84 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 8 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 into 10 to the power of -4. Therefore, number of sheets of paper required will be 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಇದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ಸಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಒಂದೇ ಯೂನಿಟಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮದೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್, ಈ 10 to the power of -4 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 ಇಂಟು ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ 10 to the power of 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 to the power of +4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 3.84 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 12. ಇಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಮೂನ್ವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೌಂಟೆಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಹೌ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವುಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರಿಗೆ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 × 10⁻24. Therefore, time required to count all stars. ಸೊ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 × 10⁻24 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಈಸಿ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಕುಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಎ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ 200 ml, ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 200 ml ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ 200 ml ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹೌ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವುಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಅರ್ತ್? ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್? ಅರ್ಥನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆನ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1.386 × 10⁻9 km³. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀರಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ 200 ml ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸು ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಯೂನಿಟಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1 km³ ವಾಟರ್, 1 km³ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ 1 km³ 1 kL³ ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 1 kL³ ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಿಲೋಲೀಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 1 ಕಿಲೋ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಕಿಲೋಲೀಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 100 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. 1 ಕಿಲೋ ಲೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1000 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್. 1 ಕಿಲೋಲೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1000 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ? 1 ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು? 1000 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ 1 ಕಿಲೋಲೀಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1000 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರು? 100 milliliter or 100 ml. Therefore 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 into 100 ml or 10⁵ ml ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕಿಲೋಲೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ 1 ಕಿಲೋಲೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 3 ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ 10⁵ ಇಂಟು 10⁵ ಇಂಟು 10⁵ milliliter cube is equal to 10⁻15 milliliter cube. 1 kiloliter ಅಂದರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಿಲೋಲೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ so what is the total volume of, so total water on earth is equal to 1.386 into 10⁻9 into 10⁻15 milliliter, okay, is equal to 1.386 into, this will be milliliter, sorry, so 1.386 into 10⁻9 plus 15 is equal to 1.386 into 10⁻15 24 ml ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀರಿದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೀರು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೀರಿದೆ ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟ್ರ್. ಈಗ ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ನಾವು 1 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 200 ml. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ನೀರನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಲಾಸು? 1 ಗ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 200 ml ಇದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನೂ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಕು? ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1.386 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 2 divided by 200 is equal to, I will write this as 1.386 into 10 to the power of 24 divided by 2 into 10 square. 2 ones are 2, 0.693 into 10 to the power of ಇದು 2 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 24 minus 2 is equal to 0.693 into 10 to the power of 22, ಆರ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನಿಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 6.93 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 21, 110ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೌ ಲಾಂಗ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. 1 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 1 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕು? 1 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎವ್ರಿ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್, 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ. 1 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ is equal to 6.93 into 10 to the power of 21 divided by 10 seconds is equal to 6.93 into 10 to the power of 20 seconds. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.